Good morning, amazing journalists of seventh period, vital signs staff who have your fingers on the pulses of our school. This is our first Monday of the school year for our class. And I just wanted to record a basic screencast to show you what our Monday procedures are every other week, because we're only going to meet on Mondays every other week. As you probably know from your other classes, we're not supposed to have Zooms on Monday because Monday is supposed to be an asynchronous instructional support day where the teachers aren't going over any new material. They're not requiring students to do anything other than participate in the class activities and ask questions in a discussion thread. At least this was my understanding. But from what I've heard from several of you, what I have understood just hasn't really been practiced elsewhere. People are different. We just have to adapt. So, for our class on Mondays, there will be a thread for discussion that says Monday. Check in here. Let me know what you're working on. Only 4 of you so far have submitted your 1,000 minutes a day. And if some of you are having some problems with that, just make sure that you're logged in your browser. I'm using Chrome here. Just make sure you're logged in with your LAUSD MyMail account for your browser, and you should be able to get the document that you can fill out. The idea behind that project is for it to be more of a revelatory experience for you to understand how you're using your time and how much time is available for us each day if we choose it. And from what I've seen other students submit, a lot of people are finding out that they might have more time in the day than they thought about, and they're not really sure how to use it. So the idea is to make sure that you're aware of your number one resource, which is time, and how best to manage it. If you have any questions, please place them in the discussion thread. I will be available during our class, which meets from 2:20 to 3:20 today. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the discussion thread. Well, sort of see you in the discussion thread, see your comments, and you can see my comments. But I'll see you in our Zoom tomorrow. This week, we get to talk a little bit about our class and start thinking about our first issues and our first episodes and start to decide when it is that we want to start going live with our content. Content's not easy to create. It takes a while to make sure we've got it. And, the first several months we'll be experimenting with this new reality that we're in. But I know in time, the voices of Bravo will speak through you because you are voices of Bravo. And you'll be able to use that voice, those voices, to tell its story during this crisis. And we've already had several stories worth telling in just the first couple of weeks. Okay, see you soon. Bye.